नमस्कार। ध्यान करना यानी प्रकृति के साथ समरस होना है, प्रकृति के साथ जुड़ना है। और जैसे हम प्रकृति के साथ जुड़ते हैं वैसे ही हमारे भीतर से प्रकृति बहने लग जाती है और उसके बाद में हम प्रकृतिमय हो जाते हैं और एक विचार शून्यता की अवस्था हमको प्राप्त हो जाती है। यही अनुभूति, ये अनुभव अगर आपको ग्रहण करना है तो आप 23 दिसंबर से 30 दिसंबर तक होने वाले समर्पण महाशिविर को ज्वाइन कीजिए। नमस्कार।
Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, which is conducting different courses in pharmaceutical sciences, particularly B.Pharm, D.Pharm, Master Degree in Pharmacy, and also doing a lot of research works leading to PhD degrees. And the Life Sciences Division is conducting BSc and MSc courses in microbiology, biotechnology, genetics, and we are also conducting Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology and Bachelor of Hospital Management. This college, for the development of the students and its faculty and all the staff, we conduct lot of research work, lot of collaborations with other universities and other foundations and trusts. Our mission is an overall development of the students, not only in studies, but we take care of their environmental and holistic development, also social services, because we also encourage our students in doing social services in addition to education. We are having a memorandum of understanding with Shiv Kripananda Foundation. The main purpose of it is overall development of the students, particularly spiritual development and self-motivation of the students. For this, Shiv Kripananda Foundation, they have conducted quite a few programs on meditation, yoga, and motivational programs also have been conducted. Presently, Sri Shiva Kripananda Foundation is conducting a program in the name Guru Tattva. This program will be conducted by performing a Shivir, which is a global Shivir for meditation and self-development and spiritual development of the attendees. Many countries, people from many countries, I have come to understand that people from many countries are going to attend this program. Our students and staff members of this college are also going to attend this program, which will be conducted from 23rd December till 31st of December. So I am sure those who are attending this program will benefit a lot for their development, self-development, and for their spiritual.